last time around in 2017, Goa had 8% candidates who had serious crimes on their head. This time around, we have 18%. So if you want to compare 2007, 2012, 2017, and 2022 now, 2007, we had 2% people as candidates who had serious crimes. From 2%, it went to 4%, double, in 2012. From 4%, it went to 8%, again double, in 2017. And now we have more than double, from 8% to straight away 18%. Perhaps we have to look at it seriously. The voters called red alert constituencies. Out of 40, Goa has 12, which is one of the highest numbers in the whole country. Now, what is this red alert constituencies? Let me clarify. Any constituency which has more than 3 people having criminal record, 3 candidates with criminal record, is defined as red alert constituency, which means the election commission representatives, the cops, and everyone has to be on special alert because of perhaps, I'm using the word perhaps, the things going a little wrong, or some gundaism, some this thing on the polling booths, etc., etc. If there are 3, so any place, any constituency which has more than 3, this thing. Now there are 12 out of 40, which is 30% red alert constituencies. Nowhere in India, including UP or Bihar on such places, having as many as 30%. So, and this has happened for the first time. Last time in 2017, Goa had only 3 constituencies out of 40. So this time we have 4 times as many. From 3, we have jumped to 12. So as much as we have 18% people with serious crime, we also have red alert constituencies which have gone up by 400%.
Most of the time, when the affidavits are filed, it is the job of the returning officer to check it perfectly so that he finds no follies in that. Now, what has happened is there are certain guidelines which are given by the Election Commission as the rates of the property given should be as per the market value and not as per what you have purchased or what was in the years. So this has, whether this has been really followed or whether this has not been followed, we will see in the next slides.